Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you put a cotton ball in your refrigerator. I bet you never thought of this before. We had a really smelly freezer that we got from my sister-in-law, and it was disgusting. It smelled like dead bodies or something was in there, or turkeys. I don't even know. So anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to take some pure vanilla extract. This smells so fresh and amazing. I'm going to show you what you're going to do. Now, these aren't necessarily cotton balls, but I prefer them a little bit better. They are cotton rounds. So just put a little bit of pure vanilla extract on here. You can spray it on. You can do any method like this, whatever you need to do to saturate your cotton material. And I like to use 2 just for extra measure. Heck, let's just pour a little, ooh, yes, just a spoonful of sugar. All right, so then you're gonna take a clothespin like this. I'm gonna put these 2 together and you are gonna be so impressed. There we go, 2 hands. All right, let's just open up my refrigerator. Hello, ranch. By the way, let us know in the comments box below. Do you eat ranch on everything like we do? Okay, in the back of your refrigerator, you probably have a box of baking soda because this absorbs moisture and odors. But here's what I want you to do. You're gonna take your cotton swabs with your pure vanilla extract on it, and you're gonna clip it to the side of the box. Now, I know this looks a little bit funky. You can make this look all cute, but not only will this help deodorize your refrigerator, but it's gonna make it smell like fresh vanilla. And then you'll just put it in your refrigerator per normal, shut it, and then the next day I want you to come back and see how good it smells. All with just some cotton balls and some simple pure vanilla extract. Now, if you're wondering for some additional clever cotton ball hacks, click this video on screen now, give this a thumbs up, subscribe for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.